With our website still being very basic, we might want to change some of the functionality. For example, I'd like to add a search bar to the right hand side. I'm not that keen on it being up here. If we go into the dashboard and go to appearances, you'll see we have the option for widgets. A widget is functionality that you can add to your website to increase user experience. As you can see here, we've got a number of options for where we can put our information and a number of places that we can put helpful tools to guide our users and visitors to the area of the website that we want them to be at the quickest. You can see we have a header which has a search functionality in it already. It has recent posts and recent comments. If we go to our website, these are our recent posts and here's our search. We don't have any recent comments, so this won't show us yet. If we go back, I'm not that happy having the recent comments there. So I want to remove them. I also don't want the search there, so I'm going to delete that as well. If we now go back and refresh our page, you will see that our search bar has disappeared, but our recent posts are still here. If we go back in and we click on recent posts, we only want to show the last recent post. And we want to show the date of the post. We click save. It has the default recent posts title, or we can change this to classic book news. We click save. We go back to our website, refresh the page, and you can see now we have classic book news, welcome to Alan's Vintage Books, and the date that we published the article. Now I want to add my sidebar in here with the search facility that we removed from the header. If we go back into the widgets, you'll see that we have sidebar left and sidebar right. If we open out sidebar right, you can see that there's no widgets in here yet. We have a number of widgets available to us: archives, calendar, categories, custom menu, meta, pages, recent comments, recent posts, RSS, search, tag cloud, and text. In this case, we want to add the search functionality. So we select the search and we drag it across and we drop it into the area we want it to be. We then say search vintage books. Click on save, and now if we go back to our website and we refresh again, you will see we now have a sidebar here that has the ability to search for the vintage books so people can search the website. If we go back to our widget area, you'll see there's a number of top sidebars, left sidebars, right sidebars, bottom sidebars, footer areas, 404 pages, wide areas, boxes, and wide footers. Depending on what theme you're using will depend on how many of these you get. You will have the ability, once you get a little bit more advanced, to add your own areas. However, don't panic, you're not at that stage yet. This is how to manage the widgets in your website.